So, if you were given a chance to graduate at tourism, what would you tell the world?
I like that.
Yeah.
Very sensible.
How
You're very-
can you represent Philippines into the world?
Wow.
Yes.
You won already.
Yes.
You have the title.
Yes. I tell the world that you come to Philippines.
Tourism, that's right.
You come to Philippines. Yes, more fun in the Philippines, guys. Come here in Philippines. Yes. Ano, you can buy
Oh, what?
you can buy a Philippine product.
What is? What is? Siomai.
Mango.
Siopaw. Ha?
Mango.
Mango. Okay.
Yes.
And then?
And then banana.
Oh, very nice. You know that.
Rice.
Rice. Okay.
Hindi
Very
po-
economy. Very economy.
Yes,
Very economies.
yes.
You have any question, Ashley? Oh.
What is your motto in life?
Oh, I like the question. You like it?
I love the question, Will.
You like? That's a question.
That's the relevance.
Okay. The relevance of the tourism. Okay.
Yes.
My motto is, what is beauty if your brain is empty?
Ay! Wow! That's very nice, huh?
I love his motto.
What again? What is?
What is beauty if your brain is empty?
Perfect!
Ah!
Perfect! I like that. You know what?
Yes!
You really get it. Yeah. You get it. You know what? You did it. Hooray!
I like, what do you think of that? Her motto. Her motto.
Your motto?
Yes.
Say me.
Say me. Say me.
Say you, say me.
Pareho daw sila. Say me. It means you're both same. Same boat.
Same motto.
What is your motto?
Same here because we don't have brain. Empty.
Inamin.
No, I don't believe. You have the beauty and the brains. Okay, so your motto again is?
What is beauty if your brain is empty?
Yeah! Perfect! Tama yung mami niya. Siguro masaya sa bahay ito. Ikaw ba may boyfriend?
Wala, Will! Alam mo naman si father, si mother. Nako.
Father, mother, sister, brother. Ano ba si father? Ano ba trabaho ni father?
Si father ko doon.
No, better to talk English. What is the father job is?
My father is merchandiser.
Mm-hmm.
But as of now,
Yes.
she-
Wow. As of now, At of the moment, what?
he had a sick.
He had a sick?
Yeah.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What kind of sick?
Parts stroke. He had a stroke.
That, all right.
Yeah.
Why did you join?
Because I want to see you. Because my grandfather, my father, me also.
Oh.
I idolize you.
Idolize? Oh,
Yes.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
oh.
Oh, very nice.
Can I hug you?
Yeah, sure. Like a lolo. Okay, who's with you right now?
Pinapakilala ko.
Tagalog na. Sige.
Yes! Pinapakilala ko sa inyo ang aking supportive, napaka-sexy, at napakaganda kong mother, si Mama Terry! Hi, Will!
Magandang hapon po.
Yes!
Ano gusto niyo sabihin sa napakaganda niyong anak?
Anak, ina, maraming salamat at napakabait mo sa amin ng papa mo. Palagi mo lang isipin na lagi lang kaming nandito, ipagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung mithiin mo sa buhay, lalo na sa pamilya natin. Maraming salamat, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng support niyo sa akin ni Papa. I'm so blessed that I have mayroon akong magulang na kagaya.
You can do it.
Sensya na. Mama, maraming salamat po talaga. Proud na proud po ako naging magulang ko kayo. Hindi po ako magbabago. Alam niyo naman po sa bawat laban ko, kayo ang iniisip ko. Maraming salamat po.
That's nice.
Love you.
Sweet ng mami mo, ha?
Yung nga po
Sobrang sweet. Ang bait ng mami mo. Ang daddy mo, asan?
Nasa bahay.
Batiin mo daddy mo.
Pa, andito na ako. Tupad na yung mga pangarap natin. Nahag na kita kay Will. Pagaling ka dyan, pa. I love you.
Di ba? Yung laughter niyan,